We have just acquired this top of the range Range Rover Sport 3.6 TDV8 Autobiography. As you can see, it's got the added HST body styling kit on it as well. It's got the front cameras, park distance control, unmarked anthracite alloy wheels. It's in gleaming black metallic and it does look in absolute fantastic condition. Rear privacy glass, HST rear bumper diffuser with a chrome twin exhaust pack. Absolutely gleaming. It's got two-stage opening on the rear hatch. You can do that way, load your shopping in, or completely open the hatch as so. As you can see, that's in absolutely superb condition in the back, no abuse. Absolutely lovely. This car does have keyless entry and keyless close. It's got the rear entertainment that all works. I'll show you that in a minute with the remote control. Lovely dual tone leather interior. Heated rear seats, electric memory seats, electric front seats, Harman Kardon heated seats. Lovely Autobiography insignia there. Full electric windows, electric mirrors, power folding mirrors, auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox there, cruise control, reverse camera with parking sensors, 3-stage heated seats here, air conditioning, climate control, rear entertainment, just put those on. We've got satellite navigation, remote control for the rear entertainment there, and locking wheel nut, all the book pack. Cold fridge, different ways of driving it with the iDrive, cruise control, as you can see the rear entertainment's on. This does have a TV, but it's the analog. I don't know whether that can be converted into digital. Power folding mirrors. Stop the car. At DJH offer full dealer facilities, including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.